My name's Madison Aloe. I'm 18 years old. I started in the machine shop at 17 as a student learner, senior in high school. I fell in love with manufacturing actually my freshman year. It was a mistake that I was put into the class, but I absolutely loved it from the moment I stepped in there. There was something about manufacturing that sort of made me speechless about what I did and how I did it. It's kind of like a miracle. It's like making something out of absolutely nothing that's what amazed me the most. Joining the program as a high school student actually benefits you a lot more, I feel, than joining full-time automatically. Just because I was able to leave work and still go enjoy the things that I wanted to do in high school. And just being able to get into the workforce and start making some sort of an income, honestly, I feel like that's one of the best things. I definitely found a new confidence when I started this student learner program. I just think it brought me to the next level of where my personality or what was inside of me the entire time was all along. And I really enjoy being around these guys because they aren't like coworkers to me. They're like my family, and I know that they always look out for me, and it's like my second home.